We are going to discuss types of computer networks. Basically, four types of computer networks we have. One is a PAN, that is personal area network, and second one LAN, local area network, and third one MAN, that is metropolitan area network, and fourth one WAN, that is wide area network. So we will understand first network, that is PAN, personal area network. See, generally this type of network we commonly use in houses. So one, we have generally system, it is connected with mobile or headphone or speaker or printer, and we also connected with the another system, that is laptop. So if you are connecting one device with another device, okay, then this type of network is called personal area network. And here we have the range. Maximum range of this network will be up to 10 meters or 30 feet. And generally we see this kind of network like we are using Wi-Fi, hotspot, Bluetooth, okay. So it will be supportive for online or offline. Online means your hotspot and Wi-Fi. Offline means share it or Bluetooth we are using generally, okay. So this is about personal area network. Next network, that is local area network. So in this network a number of systems are connected with each one to other one. See, we have system 1 and system 2, system 3, okay, like the system 4 and system 5. Not only the systems, we also connect resources like printer, scanner, okay, laptops. So generally this kind of network we see in a office buildings, okay, right. And the range also within the building we will generally see, and maximum 500 to 1000 systems we are connected in this network. And it's a less costly and higher security, means the data we are sharing system to system is not going to outside, within a building only there. So that's why higher security. Next, high speed also it provides. See, from one system to the data, the file, it is coming to next system, so fastly it will transfer. So that's why it's a higher in speed, okay. Next we have MAN, that is metropolitan area network. Simply we can say that it is providing a network between two cities, geographically two cities. See, LAN 1 we have, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4, LAN 5, okay. Different LANs are coming to in a network, then we say it is a metropolitan area network. The range between cities, and where we are using this kind of network, in government agencies or private industries. Compared to local area network, it is somewhat expensive, okay, cost point of view, and speed also high, but compared to LAN it is somewhat slow, and it is nothing but intranet we can say, okay. So that is a MAN, metropolitan area network, right. Last one, that is wide area network. See, nowadays we are using internet, so that is nothing but a WAN, wide area network. Globally each and every system, it is connected to this network. That network is called wide area network. Suppose assume we are using a mobile in a home, so that is in a which network? Personal area network. And from that we are connecting to your system, that's LAN. Yeah, you are using a system in your office, that one comes in the LAN, and this WAN automatically connected to MAN, and this MAN means metropolitan area network is connecting to another metropolitan area network or any LAN. So like this network will be connecting each and every online devices. So the total systems we can say that is wide area network. So that is nothing but internet. And here we have range. Global range means from any part of the world we can connect to internet, and it is a very costly or expensive, and speed also compared to local area network and metropolitan network, it is very slow. But nowadays we are getting speed in terabytes, right? So this is the information related to types of computer network. Thank you.